called Aren't You Glad?
Yes. Yep.
Beach Boys.
Hopefully I can play it.
You can do it.
Okay. Today will be a lot of fun, 'cause precious one, I'd feel good just to walk with you. Tonight will be such a treat, you're so sweet, and I feel good just to talk with you. You know I've been a long time needing you. You say that you've been a long time needing me, and don't you know that there's so much more to come? I've got a heart that just can't stop beating for you. I got a love I just can't stop feeling for you. Aren't you glad? Aren't you glad, darling? I'm so glad. Tell me you know what I mean. Aren't you glad, darling? Each day there comes something new. Tell me you know what I mean when I say, aren't you glad? Now tell me you're so glad. Tell me you know what I mean. Tonight will be another day, another way to get this feeling across to you. Tonight is another night that's out of sight, 'cause I feel good just to talk with you. You know that'll be a long time loving you. You say that you'll be a long time loving me, and don't you know that there's so much more to come? I got a heart that just won't stop beating for you. I got a love I just can't stop feeling for you. Aren't you glad, darling, there's been you? Tell me you know what I mean. Aren't you glad each day there comes something new? Tell me you know what I mean when I say, aren't you glad? Now tell me you're so glad. Tell me you know what I mean. Yeah, a little rough around the edges on the old voice there, but that song is really good. Yeah, I don't know if you guys aren't, I don't know, if you guys haven't heard Wild Honey, but like that sort of like kind of white soul thing is your bag.
Funky.
White Beach Boysy soul. It's a great album. All right. Well.
More. Probably.
All right.